Hello everybody, my name is Sarah. As usual, I will read you a story. Today's story is called iLuv's Colored Gears, me and mine story about emotions. Before I read you the story, I have a special guest who's listening to my story too. Can you guess who? Ta-da! It is iLuv! He's listening to my story too! Now let's begin. The story about iLuv's Colored Gears. Me and mine story about emotion. Now let's begin the story. In the farthest reaches of the earth, there's an island, a robot island, filled with none other than colorful robots. Sometimes the colors are mixed. Sometimes they change into just one color. The different colors make them look a bit different from each other. iLuv is the special one. She was built quickly and then forgotten. iLuv's dreams of having some colors just like everyone else. Don't worry, iLuv. We have a plan. Collect 6 colored gears to help you feel all the colors. The gear blazing red like fire is anger. When you're fighting over your favorite toy, you stomp, roar, and turn bright red. The blue glare is sadness. When you are blue, your shoulders droop and you feel like crying. Sometimes you'd really like a hug. The purple glare is fear. When fear rolls in, your heart beats fast and you feel a bit on edge. Let's run and hide under the covers. Oh, something interesting has appeared all of a sudden. Do you smell that? That orange gear is surprise! That was the smell of yucky socks. Are you feeling disgusted? That was just me being silly. That's how I enjoy myself. Hee. Hooray! iLuv is all colorful now. These precious gears are called emotions. Every day we go through all types of feelings. Let's discover 1,000,001 reasons to love all these playful and changing emotions inside that make you, you. Big or small, robot or human, keep on feelings. Thank you everybody to listening to my story as usual. Thank you everybody and say goodbye to iLuv and me.